This is a Space News update for Monday, May 19th, 2008. NASA senior managers completed a review Monday of Space Shuttle Discovery's readiness for flight and officially selected May 31st as the launch date for the STS-124 mission. Commander Mark Kelly and his 6 crewmates are scheduled to lift off to the International Space Station at 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Thanks, John. We had a very thorough review today, again, for the flight readiness of STS-124-1J. We talked about a lot of topics, nothing really big or major. I think some of the things that I picked up as important things are this external tank is kind of the final configuration of the external tank on the outside that we plan to fly for the Hubble Space Telescope mission. So this will be a good chance for us to see that tank performance and how well it performs during ascent as we get ready for the HST mission. And all our opportunities are lighted, so we'll have a good chance to get good pictures of the tank to see how well it performs during ascent. And we've seen some of these mods before and other tanks on ET-120, back on STS-120, etc. So we'll get a chance to confirm that all that worked well. We also got a chance to look at the overall mission, and it's an extremely complicated mission. Again, it seems, if you look at it from the outside, that we're just taking a large module up and attaching it to the outside of the station, and that seems simple. But when you get into the details of what's actually involved and the umbilicals that need to be disconnected from the GEM and the shuttle, the activity that needs to occur on the station to get the GEM attached, and then the activities associated along with the other things to go out and take a look at the solar alpha joint. We're going to add some EVA tasks to do that. It's an extremely complicated mission. You also might want to take a look at the press kit and look at the arm operations and look at where the arm moves to. There's a lot of walk-offs of the SSRMS that's pretty dramatic and pretty amazing. So this is, again, a very complicated mission, but again, the teams are well prepared with many options and things in backup to in case any problems
It's good to be back here at Kennedy Space Center. As we have said before, this flight of STS-124 is going to be something of a milestone for the Space Shuttle program. Since the Columbia accident and our subsequent return to flight efforts, this will be the 10th flight we have flown since Columbia. After STS-124 is complete, we will have 10 more to go. So we're really hitting the halfway point here. When we first got this external tank out of the Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans, it was a couple weeks late, and we had a lot of discussions on what the launch date should be. We set May 31st as a challenge to the team to see if we could make it. The quality of the tank that came to Kennedy Space Center and the outstanding efforts of the ground processing team not only made it so that we could make May 31st, but we also had some additional days that we could use for other activities. We actually needed some of them, and Mike will tell you more about it when we lost one of our multiplexer demultiplexers. It's just a computer interface device, and it failed during testing earlier this week, and the team has already swapped it out and is doing the retest on it. So it was good that that things went so well, and that we got ahead of the timeline a little bit so that we could handle some of those unexpected things.
Discovery's launch date was announced at the conclusion of Monday's flight readiness review. During the meeting, top NASA and contractor managers assessed the risks associated with the mission and determined the shuttle's equipment, support systems, and procedures are ready for flight. There are 2 flight readiness reviews before each shuttle launch, a program-level review and an executive-level review. During these meetings, top NASA and contractor officials evaluate pre-launch preparations and determine whether or not the vehicle is ready for flight. Discovery's 14-day mission will carry the largest payload so far to the International Space Station and includes 3 spacewalks. It is the second of 3 missions that will launch components to complete the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency's Kibo laboratory. The crew will install Kibo's large Japanese pressurized module and Kibo's robotic arm system. Also, astronaut Gregory Chamatov is scheduled to fly to the station as a mission specialist on STS-124, but he will take astronaut Garrett Reisman's place as an Expedition 17 flight engineer and return to Earth on shuttle mission STS-126. Navy Commander Stephen Bowen was previously named to the STS-124 crew, but has been reassigned to STS-126. This change allows room for the STS-124 mission to rotate a space station resident. Navy Commander Mark Kelly will command STS-124, and Navy Commander Ken Ham will serve as the pilot. Mission specialists include NASA astronauts Karen Nyberg, Air Force Colonel Ron Guerin, and Air Force Reserve Colonel Michael Fossum. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Akihiko Hoshide also will serve as a mission specialist. And this has been a Daily Space Update. If you would like to watch our archive of podcasts, please visit our website at www.dailyspaceupdate.com, and for more space news and multimedia, visit the Spacearium at www.spacearium.com or spaceflightnews.net. Thank you for watching, and be sure to catch our next Daily Space Update.